Guys, hello Last War fans. This is Random Tech. I just reached the level 12 today. It's just been like two days. I have played and I already reached level 12. As you can see here, level 12 reaching level 12 is pretty easy at as it doesn't cost you huge amount of resources. So yeah, let's open this battle drone battle data for the first time. I haven't opened it yet, so you can see here I'm at level 1. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. 1 2 3. That's level 2 right here. 1 2 3. That's level 3. 1 2 3. That's level 4. 1 2 3. That's level 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That's level 6. 1 2 3. That's level 7. 1 2 3 4. That's level 8. 1 2. That's level 9. 1 2 3 4. That's level 10. Whoa, look at this, guys, what I have got. TD1 Panther finder frame upgrade drone missiles loaded. Whoa. 1 2 3 4 5. That's level 11. 1 2 3. That's level 12. 1 2 3. That's level 13. 1 2. That's level 14. 1 2. That's level 15. 1 2 3 4 5. That's level 16. 1 2 3. That's level 17. 1 2. That's level 18. 2 3. That's level 19. That's it, guys. Look how far I reached at once. Level 19. I am here currently at level 19, and you can see my power has increased rapidly due to this. Let's just initiate a rally here. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. So keep in touch with me so I can share you more about this game later on. I also have another account which I am in currently at level 27. So I have lots of experience in this game. So if you want to know anything, just comment right here and I will help you guys to level up. You can also check my another videos where I have tell you what to buy in the beginning, what to do in the beginning, what are the most important thing to do in the beginning. So guys, please check my another videos also. Okay guys, have a good time. Like, share, follow.